Welcome, my dear student. In today's Situ syllabus, we are going to see area geometry, standard 8, subject mathematics, area geometry, unit Pythagoras theorem, and subunit also Pythagoras theorem, day 37th. Let's see concept corner first. As shown in the adjacent picture, there is there is a way to school from Sarita's house. She want to reach the school by shorter way. Then which way she will select? A to C straight way or A, B, C the way along right angled? Think over it. Dear student, she choose the way A to C straight way because the distance between A to C is minimum as per as shown in the figure. Surely your answer will be straight way A to C because the distance between A to C is less against ABC. As this straight way A to C is along the hypotenuse, means the length of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is less than the sum of the length of the other two sides. By observing the figure, we know as this straight way A to C is along the hypotenuse, means the length of hypotenuse of right angle triangle is less than the sum of the length of other two sides. असणारच हायपोटेन्यूसची जी लांबी आहे ती या इतर दोन बाजूंच्या बेरजेपेक्षा कमी असणारच, कमी आहेच. नाव Sarita choose this way to reach school because the distance between A to B is less than the ABC. And here AC is the hypotenuse of right angle triangle ABC. Now see Pythagoras here, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras is the Greek mathematician. Pythagoras was a great Greek mathematician who was the first to prove the theorem. It is named after him. त्यांनी सुरुवातीला हा शोध लावला, त्यामुळे त्याच्या या शोधाला त्यांचंच नाव दिलं गेलं, पायथागोरस थेरम. पायथागोरस first prove the theorem of Pythagoras state that in right angle triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. म्हणजेच काय, पायथागोरसनं सर्वात प्रथम असं सिद्ध केलं की काटकोन त्रिकोणामध्ये कर्णाचा वर्ग हा उरलेल्या दोन बाजूंच्या वर्गांच्या बेरजे इतका असतो. म्हणजेच in right angle triangle the square of the hypotenuse, in right angle triangle square of the hypotenuse, here AC is the hypotenuse, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the others of the two sides. काय परत एकदा लक्ष द्या. इन राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल द स्क्वेअर ऑफ द हायपोटेनियस इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द स्क्वेअर्स ऑफ द अदर टू साइड्स. हायपोटेनियस स्क्वेअर इक्वल टू साइड स्क्वेअर प्लस साइड स्क्वेअर. फर्स्ट साइड स्क्वेअर प्लस another side square. The sum of these two side square is equal to the hypotenuse square. Is the theorem of Pythagoras. Theorem of Pythagoras states that in right angle triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. In only right angle triangle, फक्त काटकोन त्रिकोणामध्येच हा नियम लागू पडतो, इतर ठिकाणी नाही. म्हणून या ठिकाणी विशेष उल्लेख केलेला आहे. In right angle triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Means AC square equal to AB square plus BC square is the Pythagoras theorem. Activity as shown in the figure. First, from a card sheet, cut out 4 identical right angle triangle. Cut out 4 identical right angle triangle. Shows its sides by A, B, C unit. Using these 4 triangles from a square with side B plus C as shown in the figure second, and numbered the triangles properly. Observe the figure. We can see square of side A unit in the uncovered portion of square with side B plus C in figure 2. As shown in the figure 3, change the position of the triangle in previous square with side B plus C such that two squares will form. Therefore, area of uncovered portion in the figure second equal to area of uncovered portion in figure third. Uncovered portion of figure second equal to the area of uncovered portion in figure third. म्हणजेच काय, A square equal to B square plus C square. Therefore, A square equal to B square plus C square. Here A is the hypotenuse. Suppose. Therefore, A square equal to B square plus C square. Activity using a square linked notebook, cut two squares such that first has 9 square boxes and second has 16 square boxes. As shown in the figure, arrange the squares such that their sides form a right angle and draw the hypotenuse to complete right angle triangle. Third, using these two squares from a new square which fit to the length of hypotenuse. What is fun? We can cut and form a new square from these two squares which will fit to the length of hypotenuse. Therefore, in right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of their two sides. By using activity, we can prove that in right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. See here. In first hypotenuse 9 unit into 16 unit. बघा पहिल्या चौकटीमध्ये in the first box we see 9 units, 9 unit square, and in second 16 unit. Sum of these two equal to 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square. Sum of these all two sides equal to 25. Therefore, 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square, as shown in the figure. In right angle triangle, the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse, and it is the greatest side of it. Hypotenuse is the greatest side of it, of that triangle. The side opposite to the right angle is always called the hypotenuse. We remember, dear student, the opposite side of right angle is called the hypotenuse, and it is the greatest side of it. Therefore, the length of hypotenuse of right angle triangle is less than the sum of the length of other two sides. म्हणून हायपोटेनियसची जी लांबी आहे ती लेस दॅन अदर टू साइड्स, सम ऑफ अदर टू साइड्स, इतर दोन बाजूंच्या वर्गांच्या बेरजेपेक्षा कमी आहे. The length of hypotenuse of right angle triangle is less than the sum of the length of other two sides. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides is the Pythagoras theorem. Practice corner here, dear student. Example first. In triangle ABC, angle C equal to 90 degree, which is the greatest side of the triangle ABC. In right angle triangle, angle C equal to 90 degree. Which is the greatest side of the triangle ABC? We know that the opposite side of angle right angle triangle is the greatest side of the that triangle. Therefore, BA is the greatest side of triangle ABC. BA is the greatest side of triangle ABC, and here BA is the hypotenuse of triangle ABC. BA is the hypotenuse of triangle ABC. Opposite side of angle C equal to BA. Therefore, BA is greatest side of triangle ABC. Greatest side of triangle ABC. Example 2. In the right angle triangle LMN, n equal to 90 degree, if MN equal to 20 cm and LN equal to 15 cm, find the length of segment LM. In right angle triangle, angle N equal to 90 degree, therefore opposite side of angle 90 is ML, and therefore ML is the hypotenuse in the right angle triangle LMN, angle N equal to 90 degree, there hence side LM is the hypotenuse. According to Pythagoras, LM square equal to LN square plus MN square. Here LN equal to 15, therefore by putting the value of LN and MN is 20. Fifteen square mean 225. 20 400, and summation of these two 625. Addition of 225 plus 4 400 equal to 625, and therefore LM equal to under root 6 to 5, therefore 2 pi. L equal to 25. मित्रांनो, अशा प्रकारे आजचा हा सेतू अभ्यासक्रम या ठिकाणी संपलेला आहे. तुम्ही हा व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत पाहिल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद तुमचे. तुमच्या मित्रांना सांगा, आणि माझ्या चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर नक्की सबस्क्राईब करा. इझी मॅथ बाय वानखेडे सर हे चॅनलचं नाव आहे. तुमच्या मित्रांना सांगा, सबस्क्राईब जरूर करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा, आणि भेटूया उद्याच्या सत्रामध्ये. तोपर्यंत धन्यवाद मित्रांनो. आणि हा जो आजचा स्वाध्याय आहे तो पूर्ण तुमच्या नोटबुकमध्ये लिहून ठेवा.